Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included, such as off-road suspension with 2-inch lift kit, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer tow with integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. So we're going to have this jet black interior with tons of extra paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom, right next to your speakers. That's coming up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with the chrome accent handle. And onto the seats, you're gonna have the 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar. Quite comfortable. Left side here, you can have your trailer mode as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive and your lighting controls. And onto the steering wheel, it's pretty basic, just left side with cruise control and forward collision alert. And the odometer, it's all analog and an access through here. That's gonna give you pretty much all of your vehicle gauges as well. Pretty much all the information you really need. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, the infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot and OnStar services and navigation, as well as you can access your rear camera with hitch guidance as well. Climate controls down below, as well as lane keep assist, auto stop, and hill descent control with your brake controller, 2 USB ports, and as well as an AC wall charger. The bench split seat, obviously with the center console here, tons of extra storage inside as well. Lift up the seat, you're gonna have storage under as well. Find the tab, pull it, comes right back down. Passenger side's manually adjustable. Jet black all across with the double glove box. Speakers up top. Here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and your SOS. So you're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires. There's that 701 badge with the black hood scoop, mirror caps and door handles as well, with your Trail Boss badging, your black corner step bumper and black Silverado badging, the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and your fifth wheel just under with the Ranchero socks. We come to the back here. You're gonna have 2 LED lamps on each side, as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, jet black again. Lots of storage and paneling on the bottom next to the speakers, power windows and chrome handle. Pop in. Tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation and cup holders as well. Unfortunately, no cup holder and armrest. You're gonna have storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3-liter V8 engine, as well as Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, trailer tow with integrated brake controller, 2-inch lift, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.